Hello, and welcome to Episode 3 Coal Manor Home Repair. Today, we look at a broken dishwasher. I conferred with my buddies at work. Some had suggested this brand over that brand. Check the recommendations, check the stars, the likes, the reviews. Some brands had good names, but were disappointing as of recently. Some were new to the market and were stellar in performance and had better guarantees. Prices ranged from the cheap at $300 to the deluxe at $1,000 and more. Now, I will admit the dishwasher is old. It probably came with the original house, which was built in 1970. One friend shared his belief that the washers being built today cost more and are not as good as the machines built of yesteryear. I push on the door, I close, I mash, but it just won't click. I check the latch right here. It looks all right. Let's take the door apart and see if there's anything broke inside. Not much more revealed with the cover removed regarding this latch. So now the mystery is, why does the door latch with the interior panel removed and not latch with the interior panel restored? Fixed. So, after much inspection and deductive reasoning, having made the discovery, I shared my success with my wife. Look, this was the problem. Fixed. It's fixed. Her reaction? Damn.